Hello everyone, my dear all students. Today we are going to solve this question. For Meghalaya students, you can see exercise 2B, question number 3. What is the question? Find a cubic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and product of its zeros respectively. Roman 1 5 minus 2 minus 24. So from this question, what we can understand, according to the first part of the question, given numbers as the sum. This is the first part, and this is the first part of the Roman 1. What is this? 5. It means 5 means we can understand what? Sum of the zeros. And sum of the zeros means what we can understand? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma means the sum of the zeros. Then second part of the question, sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time. What does mean this one? This one means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Already we have discussed in the last classes. So third part is, what is this? Product of its zeros. It means what? Alpha into beta into gamma. It means alpha beta gamma. So what is given? First of all, we will try to write down. So write down given. What is the first part given? They have given sum of the zeros. So we can write sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is equal to what we have learned, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, according to this question, how much is given? 5. What is the first one? 5. So we can write here 5. Second part of the question, sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time. So we can write product of its zeros taken two at a time. Product of its zeros taken two at a time is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Already we have learned this alpha beta gamma means three zeros of the polynomial. So according to this question, according to the second part of the question, they have given product of its zeros taken two at a time. How much is this? This is minus 2. So we can write this is equal to minus 2. Then what is the last part of the question? Last part of the question, product of its zeros. It means what? Product of its zeros is equal to, we have learned what? Product of zeros means alpha into beta into gamma. It means alpha beta gamma. This is equal to, according to this question, how much given? Minus 24. So first part, according this part, all this is given, all this written, product of its zeros respectively. So minus 24. Then sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time, we have seen there is minus 2. And first part, sum of the zero as the sum means what? Sum of the zeros means 5. So what is alpha beta gamma? Alpha beta gamma means the three zeros of the cubic polynomial. Since there is cube, that's why there will be cubic polynomial means alpha beta gamma. If you think like that, A, B, C also, okay, it's up to you. So because of cubic, this word cubic means like x cube, p cube, it means there will be 3 zeros. It means the value of x or value of p, if you do middle factorization, you will get 3 values. So these are the values. And also from the last class we have learned general form of cubic polynomial. General form of cubic polynomial. Already we have learned from the last class. What we have learned? X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. So this is the general form of the cubic polynomial. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x, then minus alpha beta gamma. So this is the main formula. If they have given the zeros, if they have given the sum of the zeros, then product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, and only product of the zeros. If they have given these 3 parts, first part, second part and third part. What are the parts? First part is this, sum of the zeros. Second part is this, product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and last part is product of its zeros only. So this is equal to, now we can put the values. What is this? First one is x cube minus, then alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is this? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. So we can write here 5. Then x square is x square. Then plus is plus. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to how much? Minus 2. So we have to write here minus 2. Then x is x. Then minus is minus. Then alpha beta value how much? Alpha beta gamma value how much? Minus 24. So write down here minus 24. So what we have done here, only we have used the values. We have applied all the values. First one is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. We have written here. Second one is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to minus 2. We have written here. Then third one is alpha beta gamma is minus 24. We have written here. So this is equal to, after that, this is equal to what we can write. X cube is x cube minus 5x square is 5x square, then plus minus 2. So plus a minus 2x minus and minus 24, minus a plus 24. So what we got? X cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24. So at last we can write, hence the required polynomial, hence the required polynomial is x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24. So this will be the final answer. I hope you will understand, because the problem is very easy. Only the main important part is this formula. This formula is very important part. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x and minus alpha beta gamma. And also we have to understand what is given part. For any problem we have to understand what is given. So given part, if you can understand, then you can use this formula, then you can very easily find the cubic polynomial. Okay, then thank you all of you.